MLA Carlos Ferreira slammed the Balrat bus service for not dropping students at the village stops, endangering their safety. He urged the government to resolve the issue immediately.
I draw attention of the House to the problems faced by children and parents due to Balrat bus not dropping the children in certain internal roads within the villages in the same constituency but several kilometers away on the main road due to restrictions in mileage despite route in the circumference of the village in the constituency and not traversing beyond, thus making inconvenient and unsafe for the children and the parents. Steps the government intends to take in this issue. What happens, Honorable Chief Minister? Honorable Chief Minister.
Yes.
In Balrat ki Zata, you have a 5 kilometer distance. They pick up the child from one place. When 5 kilometers not over, that's why is over. So they can't drop them. I don't want them to cross the territory. Where you pick them up, just drop them. That's all.
Yes. स्पीकर सर तांची रेस्ट्रिक्शन जितक्या किलोमिटराचेर ना जाल्यार दुसऱ्या इस्कॉलाची भुरगीं परत ते व्हरतात
ते ना हांवें म्हणलां हूंय पिकअप करता ती थिंगा ड्रॉप करपाचें
बरें आसा
That is all.